guys, it's Jeff. Came out. Hope you can hear me. The wind's blowing pretty good. It's pretty cold, but I just wanted to show this. I was walking around looking this little washout, and so again, found one. Let me get you turned around here. I'll let you. I'm not going to take long of this. It's cold. I mean cold. I'm not liking it, but I want to show it, and I already moved it, and before I realized what it was. But here you go. So there's a little washout I'm walking. Thought maybe something would have washed out here, but I came around and I just found this little. Yeah, well, just found this little piece of chert, and looked down and I saw part of this, and it was kind of dirty, and I actually had it picked up and flipped over before I even realized what it was. But it's a oh man, it's a nice little red quartz Madison or something. There's another little chip of chert. Man, this thing's sweet, and mostly there. I'll get it washed up a little later and try to show it closer. I'm gonna keep looking. It's getting dark on me. Okay, it's really getting darker now, but I found another one. This is not usual, but I'm glad I found it. Jeez. Okay, so I'm gonna turn the phone back around. Let's look at this one. I haven't picked it up yet, so I can see it. I mean, it's probably looks like a Yadkin. Hopefully, it's all there. So here we go. Okay, I'm trying to protect the thing from the wind, but I don't know if that's what it's doing. So looking where it's washed out again. It's right beside a piece of the one of the power lines that got tore down during the flood. There it is. I'm gonna get her out. Oh, heck yeah! Wow. Okay. Not sure what it's made out of. Looks like some kind of low quality jasper. It might be quartz, but I don't know. Okay. I'm gonna keep looking. It's getting dark. Good go. Okay, so it's practically dark. I've walked around and around, and I was just amazed. I found the 2 arrowheads I did. Also found another piece. I think is a drill. I'll show it later after I clean it up. But I came walking along and I see this. Oh, it looks like an edge sticking out. I mean, it really looks like an edge sticking out. I'm gonna pull it out. I hope it's something good. Oh, it's a tip. It's sharp. Oh, dude. What? Holy cow, man. Check this out. No way. You gotta be kidding me. This is crazy. Craziest arrowhead hunting day I've had in a while. Hey, 2025's turned out pretty good. This looks like a, I'm gonna say, man, it looks like a Dixon, but I think it's probably a Marl Mountain or something like that. So, looks like it might be a little jacked up there on the. Looks like it got hit right there. That's okay. Wow. All right. I gotta keep looking. It's gonna get dark. I'll be back. All right. So I made it back. I'm just gonna check out the arrowheads I found. Found this little piece of shirt. It's real high quality. Kind of translucent. And found this one. A lot of people just call these chips, but this top rock was brought in from a long ways off, and they used it for made these little blades from it. Found this piece that I didn't show. I had it picked up and cleaned off kind of before I realized it was something. Looks like it was, maybe it's been sharpened into maybe a drill, but the stone isn't from here. It's probably from Kentucky, and could be a dovetail type arrowhead. There's not enough there to tell what it was. It's broken off there. Broken a little at the tip. I suspect it was still being used as is for something until it was lost. I found this piece. Not sure what kind of, it's definitely a quartz of some kind, but the mid-archaic people love this stuff here and searched it out. It's got a greenish tint to it, and it always has these little specks inside of it and lines. Those are pretty subtle there. Some kind of flake tool. Found this thing. Not sure what it is. It's broken there. It's been hammered or something heavily on that end. It's been worked quite a bit. It didn't come like that originally. Okay, and so this is the first one I found that I showed. Almost had it picked up before I realized it was actually an arrowhead. It's a really nice orange quartz. Yeah, okay. But it glows whenever you hold it up to the light, so like that. Pretty nice little piece. this one. I think this must be some kind of silicified sandstone. It's not a smooth stone. It doesn't look like it was very easy to work with. It's kind of rough. Looks like it's kind of missing a piece there, but I think it was made like that, and it's still pretty straight down down through there. And so I called this a yadkin, and it could well be. It's hard to know some of these triangles, and the other one I called a Madison when I found it, but I don't think so. I think both of these are probably Camp Creek. These people traveled the rivers around here and up from Tennessee. And they're pretty common. I mean, there's, depending on how you think of it. And then I pulled this big one out. It looks to be about over 3 inches. And yeah, it really looks like an Adena of some kind, which kind of makes sense because Adena and Camp Creek, I think, have been found together. May have a tiny nick there, but otherwise it's most of the way there. Corners maybe a little off, but can't tell. It kind of looks like it was made that way. So, all right. Looks like 2025's turning out to be a good arrowhead year anyway. Or the first day is. The first day is. And then there's the, of course, the one I found Sunday. So, super nice find. Not something you'd find in a plowed field usually. It has been picked up a long time ago. But hope everybody's having a good day. See you later.